Hi, I'm Coach Shander Rickymun. Today, we'll take a look at our next series of dynamic warm-up drills: A-skip, karaoke, and rotating A-skip. These exercises are all fairly complex, so if possible, you'll want to consult with an experienced track and field coach or personal trainer who can evaluate your form as you execute these drills. A-skip. Very similar in nature to a high knee drill, but executed in a semi-skip fashion. Strive to develop a coordinated rhythmic movement pattern with arms, legs, and foot strike. Duration of drill, 20 to 30 meters. Number of sets, 2 to 3. Recovery between drills, 5 seconds, and then repeat in the opposite direction. Karaoke. A rhythmic series of side steps or crossovers that occur both behind the lead leg and above and in front of it as you move laterally down the track. Particular emphasis is placed upon the act of snapping the trail leg out and over the front of the lead leg during the frontal phase of the trail leg's movement pattern. Be sure to face the same direction when moving up or down the track so that both legs have a chance to lead the drill. Duration of drill, 20 to 30 meters. Number of sets, 2 or 4. Recovery between drills, 5 seconds, and then repeat in the opposite direction, making sure that you face the same direction you did on the prior repetition. Rotating A-skip. Same execution as A-skip, but executed while rotating your entire body either clockwise or counterclockwise as you move down the track. Duration of drill, 20 to 30 meters. Number of sets, 2 to 3. Recovery between drills, 5 seconds, and then repeat in the opposite direction.